So hi guys, we just came home. Time check, it's currently 20:36. We're gonna go camping and we're gonna sleep there. My mom is here waiting for us to get ready. We're gonna go sleep there and wake up there and have coffee and breakfast there. And have a sunrise. Guys, I'm wearing my PJs. Mama, si Kuya!
Abay,
Hindi yung pwedeng wala. My mom is there. She bought the tent. Did you buy another one? You didn't. Another one? Don't blame Cyrus if he said we're rich because my mom is doing like this, buying things. I'm kind of tired right now. I would just remove my eye makeups, eyebrow makeup, eyeliners and all. So I'm just going for lip tint. I haven't had my dinner, so mind you. We're gonna eat their barbecues. We got pancit as well. And my mom, I was surprised my mom bought 2 tents because I was just joking. I'll show you guys what's inside my bag later on, what I bring. So guys, ito na guys, let's go. Sisigip yan.
Doon sa may ilalim sa may garahe.
Gilid sa... Mama, may tao. May tao. Hey! Di na naman lagi na naman. Hindi ako kasama niyan. May kanya. Ito po ang aking tatay. Ito po ang aking native na nanay.
Native talaga.
Ay, native din ang tatay ko. Chinese. Ay, hindi pala Chinese. Si Papa, hindi native. Si Papa at Chinese.
Native.
Native! Ano ba? Busina, ali.
Busina.
Busina kasi.
Saba!
Eh, humingi kaya tayo ng plug. Ayan.
Dalawa ka na yan sa kasunod. May kanya talaga. Ito lang ako eh. Hi guys, so we are going to have
Robot ako.
a overnight
Basta ba
on the boy. We're going to
vlog ko kay my vlog. Have you seen it?
my sister was like, remove your makeup because we're gonna sleep there. I was like, what for the pictures? Like, hello, are we kidding?
Bendido. Bakit na bendido?
Yung tayo-tayo lang at least wala tayo gitindi.
Hi guys, so we're here now inside the tent, and I don't know if you guys can hear the seashore, the sound of the seashore, and look the wind, look how strong the wind is. I'm gonna show you what's in here in my bag because I bought things like important things for the camping. So here's my bag. This is like a very old bag. This is my bag since I was in the Philippines studying. So my twin sister, first of all, my twin sister brought an wet wipes for her makeup to remove. Underwears. I don't know if you would see it. Whose brush is this? Mine. My twin sister's toothbrush. My twin sister's toothbrush. And I brought my towel. I don't know why I brought my towel, just in my emergency. Socks, maybe I got cold. My feet, I don't wear socks right now. Oh, we have my mom brought dishwashing soap. And what is this? Egg? What is this? I don't know. You know? This dishwashing liquid. And more underwears, more towels. I don't know why I bring that much towel. My hair clip because I am. You must know me. Mine. This is my twin sister. She just throw it inside my bag. But yeah, another pocket. Inside this another pocket, maybe you might be wondering why you didn't bring my toothbrush. I brought my toothbrush here. Basic things like lip tint and lip balm, and also my earbuds. I forgot my my phone is used as a flashlight. I thought I forgot my phone, but that's it. Nothing much really. Eat dinner, sleep, eat breakfast, and then go immediately, I think. But you're gonna see in this video, and we will show you guys. And my two audience are just here watching me, that you would see on the side. Please, hello, thank you very much. Hello, say hello to the video. Hello.
This is literally my case right now. Like, I'm on my PJs. Hello, thank you very much.
This is a big tent, and I hope I don't sleep with people that snores. People that literally snores.
That's me.
Yeah, so let's go. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this what's in my bag, but see you when I see you later. So we're here now, guys. They're cooking already. I'm gonna show you. There you go.
Masarap yung gayang nakaiyaw, tapos kinakain na. Mama, isa pa.
Eating. King Kong!
Marjorie. Mahilig sumayaw na.
Aba yung lahidan, di may malakas ang
Hi muna sa aming Chajin.
Hi, kain na.
Kain daw po kayo.
Ayan ang pansit.
Thank you.
Are, o puso, sabi mo ayaw mo.
Paa, chicken. Konti lang, dami ng paa yan.
Hindi makain nga doon, baka paano makain nga. Kanina niya rin.
Tama pinangina sa Imax mo.
That one. Ha?
Ver.
Hawakan yung bagayan.
May tamaan sila ng, patama sila ng kung paano mag-photo lang isang Angelina Jolie. Oh, paano yan? Oh. Kinuha yung manipis, guys. Ito, ayan, ilalagay natin yan siya, guys.
Maganda rin nga ako yung bahay na ay.
Look what we're going.
Basta matigas na kahoy. Gato. Lalagay mo yan. Yan. Yung mga alam ang gato. Makalate ka na rin.
Hindi ka kita may ilaw.
Saan ka niyo mo?
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning.
Yun! Yung gayang ko yan! Yung nagyang. Nagyang!
Tama ni mama. Wala ka na may yaman to.
Uy, baba mo lang ay kabuhangin.
Ang sakit!
Aras na na.
Ay, ma!
Oy, natuma!
Tama yung stick, mama yung stick. Lahat naliyap ang stick ng puto. Yan! Tama na, stop! Maliit.
Hindi ka ririndi sa iyong kaputi.
Iba yung busis sa tugtog na black. Yan. Sulpok na.
Sabi ko, more!
Kasi kayo natulog na.
Lagi kayo
Ay, ano kahit nakakatulog ng hostel, oh. Alas 8 na hindi pa na.
Papasok. Papasok pa nga ako eh.
Mamumura lang.
Mamumura na. Sasabihin ko sumakit ang likod. Eh na, papasok nga ako eh.
Kanina rin ay. Hawakin niyo ba?
Yun. Okay na.
Kanina, hindi ako tumulong magawa ng kayo. Kinaman ako. Kung di na makakain ng dalawa. Isang taa.
Yung hirap na mais, te. Ano ba yung mo?
Wala, nag-roll. lang.
Wala akong plate. Di yan, ano mo nga yun?
Maniniganigas ang kamay ko nga, hindi ko may... Malamang, natutulog kayo iniipit yung kamay ko. Ay, ganyan sa umaga. Imay. Umabakyaw ka lang at tugtog ko.
Ano?
Ayan, nakamay.
Tingnan mo naman ang tatay ko na yan. Nagmumutnot. Asan ang bira mo? Basta!
Sana ako na bunso ba? Mga targawin mo sa drinks pag mangalan pa.
Kailangan mga kate.
Yan, iiyaw pa yung mga tira-tirang ano.
Eh, nakabaloktot ng papa. Magpa-practice na daw siyang bumaloktot din sa main tent.
Ate Ada birthday, 7th birthday, that is the music.
Hindi ka rin na.
Pwede ah.
Tatingnan natin kung didikit sa mukha.
Inasapak niya. Alam mo! Oh, sino ka gamit?
Drake, wala nga simpo ko, baka lupat kayo.
Wala na kaya?
Drake! Drake! Masustansya ka, itong
Nakakain yung puti.
Nga.
Kinakain naman talaga yan.
Oh, hindi mo kayo.
Yak, ba't ko kakain ng galing gilagid mo yan? Yak.
Ay ka, may ito.
Sa Pilipinas, magkanta nag-overnight kami. May nakataan na pang awin. Kalawin.
Ah.
Nahuli pa akin.
Pagi?
Wala ka ba? Masarap ka dito matulog sa playa.
Ah, bakit?
Maingay ang ano.
Yung malamig. Iba ang lamig niya.
Ibam!
Ibon!
Papaibon nga!
May TV tayo din. May show.
Kabayo.
Papa!
Tama tayo mga bata yatang lateros.
Yo, na ala. Ihaw ka din.
Ito naman.
Lit ng kamay.
Anak lang eh.
Bingot naman yung ano. Sumoy. Ba't bingot?
Yan, may kobra na dyan, Cyrus!
Kita ka sa loob.
Kita yan? May ilaw din tayo dito eh.
Tukan.
Yan.
Ah.
Yung akin ha, may asukal.
Ito.
Amaya. Ganyan.
Cheers na!
Mukha nga lang nilulubugan na
Wait lang, saka mo to para.
Baga.
One.
Tama, hindi yan aesthetic.
Ay, ako din!
Oy, dumali ka kasi! Dili ka! Ala, mga paso ka!
Kapay!
Ala, wala pa.
Goodbye!
Ipakita niyo yung uno. Huwag yung takpan.
Mamaya.
Wait lang.
Oh, bawal.
Hoy, bawal yan.
Bawal yun, bawal. Ay, blue. Ha?
Yellow.
Blue nga.
Ay, plus 4 nga ang akin.
Ha? Yellow?
Yellow. Ako na magdadapa.
Tinitisting ko may hihangin yung ano, pinapaypay yung kasandukan niya.
Mag-iintay pa ng sunrise eh. Ano ko rin? Ako na?
Antay
Yellow.
ng sunrise. Anto ka na. Hindi pa stock matindi pagdating na.
Ano naman, basa?
Okay.
Bag!
Papansin.
Kana?
Wala na.
Dan. Ay, kana.
Wala na, bagbag ka lang kay bagbag.
Halo.
Ako mamimik ako tago.
Wait, be excited
Baho.
ka pa.
Ang ngipin. Guys, alam nyo ba, may usok na kami dito.
Yes.
Ari ho, I am who I am and I am.
I am who I am. Kumbaga parang sinabi niyang ako
Di ba sabi sa Bible babalik siya?
Revelation.
Sa Revelation.
Yun yung pinaka-favorite kong part. Revelation.
Ano na?
Mawawala
Ubus lahat. Tapos ibabalik uli. Ano?
ibang mundo na.
Hindi, ibang mundo na ulit. Siguro ibang generation na uli ng tao.
Wala nang paghihirap.
Wala na.
Wala nang paghihirap. Wala nang kasalanan.
Sabi hanggang 3,000 years lang ang...
Puro kami kwentuhan.
Hi guys, matutulog na kami. Matutulog na ang pamilya. Hindi daw matutulog yung dalawa. Walang balak ata. Baka gustong bantayan ng sunset. Bye guys, good night. See you tomorrow. Kailangan ko mag-save ng battery para sa bukas na vlog. Bye. Good morning, everybody. So I'm here. I just woke up and I happen to be witnessing sunrise, which is really good. I don't know if you guys can hear me because of the seashore. It's a bit loud, but it's nice to wake up in this kind of view, in this type of view, you know? But I'm hiding right now behind the tent because my twin sister is filming her Instagram video. So let's see who are the awake and not awake. They're sleeping. Ate, let's do our morning jog. Hello? Thank you very much. Hello?
There's no wait. Yan guys, ako nagagalit.
Amat. Ang sakit ng lalamunan ko.
Ay, wag mo tanga. May gumulong sa sa may tent.
Stay there. Hello, King Kong. Wait.
Morning.
Sit first. Wait.
Morning.
King Kong.
Morning.
Gano'n kaya?
Yak! Umutot! What's that?
Butas.
Butas.
Wala kita mo, ang ganda ng Ting.
So we're currently watching the sunrise right now. And they're playing over here. My brother's capturing video and taking a photo at the same time. I thought I won't have problem with memory of the camera, but I did have a problem with the battery. So I did not have enough battery right now. And the only charger I have is in the car. That's where we can charge. So I'm saving it. Hi guys, so I'm inside my mom's car. In the driver's seat, I'm going to charge my my camera for a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it here for like a couple of minutes for it to charge, so I have a battery to film the breakfast videos or clips. So yes, coffee time.
Magdala si Bia ng plato. Sabi ko magdalang plato. Naitaghalo ka tayo dyan. Kanagabi yan. Ha?
Ayan po ang tagabantay namin ng mundo kagabi. Hi ka muna, Lods. Hi, Lods.
Nagabantay saan kami naihintat.
Ama, nagamin na natin.
Salam. May lamin tayo, may bread dyan. Joke ni dito.
Kakain na! Kakain na!
Makakainin.
Itlog!
Mama, not go.
Ate, eat na that one.
I'm going to get my breakfast, guys.
gonna have breakfast today. Gonna have some coffee.
Patingin. Toast. Patingin ng isa. Men. Yung isa. Where's our bread?
Ano to? Ba siguro ng hotdog?
Cream cheese.
Biya ka na nga, apo na ka rin.
So, here is the breakfast. Let's eat.
Ayaw ko kahapon. Kaya, dahan-dahan ang pipikit. Kanino yung tasa?
Anong kan? Ang bintana hindi kita. Sa likod. Hindi ko kaya.